What's in the box? Another episode of What's in the Box on the Ubiquiti G4 Doorbell Pro POE kit, recorded April 15th, 2026. POE kit. Got the doorbell, very sexy, and a little weather cap right there for protecting the unit. It's POE doorbell. Little BS mounting kit. Well, not BS, but let's see here. We got the chime. This one is POE apparently, which I didn't actually realize. So there's a little bit of an issue there. And it comes with a POE chime retrofit box, or a POE chime surface mount box, it looks like. Interesting. Template for this little POE chime unit. I thought this was a plug-in chime, so we're getting surprised together. Got a standard doorbell mount kit. This part's gonna have to be recessed for a nice clean fit. And we also have a bump out unit to bump the unit out a little bit, it looks like. And then this piece goes in like that. If you don't want to have to inset the this area here, you use this piece to surface mount it. Template. Nice little wedge piece for the doorbell in case you want a better angle, like that. More little mounting drywall anchors, and that's it. Let's see. Got a reset button there. And a reset button right there. Typically for Ubiquiti, you just hold the reset button for about 15 seconds and it factory defaults the unit.